Om Shanti. Welcome to Himalayan Shakti Tantra, friends. And today I'm going to create this video. My last video was on the Trinetra activation, means the third eye activation breathing. That was the most secret and ancient method. Maybe people don't know about those techniques. Only Himalayan yogis who lives in the Himalayas, and they are practicing lots of variations in the breath work, because in the breath work the breath is different and the life force is different. So I teach you how to connect through your breath with your life force, then you can activate your powers. Because in our body, more than some people, it's written in the Vedas, in the holy books of Hinduism, it's written the more than 72,000 nerves in our body, that is main nerves. So with the pressure, if you give pressure on those nerves, you can activate the powers. And we have focusing on the 7 chakras, but we have more than 72,000 energy point. The chakra means the energy point in the body. So we have more than 72,000 energy points in the body, but nowadays we are focusing only in the 7 chakras, in the 7 energy points. And I'm going to make this video on the series on the pranayama, on the Himalayan breathing techniques of yogic. This is a video also on the Trinetra, on the third eye, how to activate your third eye with the gazing visualization meditation. The method of this technique is third eye gazing meditation. How you can activate your third eye with the gazing, with Trataka. So in this method, everybody can do, but don't do much. Always remember, whatever you are doing in the beginning, if you are just a beginner, so always remember one thing: you have to do less time. Start your journey slowly for 1 week, 10 days, 20 days. See how your change is coming in your practices. But you have to be disciplined. If you want to changes in your life, you have to be disciplined. If you really want it, without discipline, without daily practices, you cannot receive a right effects what you really wanted. So practice is most important, every day on the same time. That would be a first preference. Or you can do at least once in a day. You have to practice. Early in the morning is the best time, or before night, that is also the best time to doing meditation, breath work and yoga. Because you get rest after that if you're doing in the night, but you have to take a gap for 3 hours. So in this meditation, if you really want to activate your third eye powers, so you have to sit in the dark room, or you can sit where there is no noise. It should be a quiet, it should be a dark, and you can put something, a dot on the wall. If you are sitting on the dark room, so it should be a neon with the 7 colors, the 7 color dots you have to put single, you don't need to put all you just need to put which chakra you want to feel, that is, this chakra is my blocking, I feel blockage in this chakra. So you have to put that color of dot, white dot on the wall in the center of your eye chakra. When you are sitting in front of you, a little distance, you need to make a distance when you're putting it. If you are sitting in the lighting room, so you can put the same color dot wherever you feeling that this chakra is blockage, I'm not feeling the energetical energy through because of this, the blockage. So you can put that color of the chakra color on dot on the wall, and then you have to sit straight. Your spine, your neck, your head should be in the one line, should be straight, always remember. And you can sit on the sit asana, or in the relaxation mode you can sit on the chair also, but your spine should be straight like this. You have to be straight. Then for 5 to 10 minutes, if you are a beginner, for 5 to 10 minutes you have to sit straight and gaze on that dot, gaze on the dot. But you have to visualize you are not gazing through these eyes. You are gazing from your third eye. You have to feel this. You seeing that dot and you gazing continuously without blinking your eyes. Gazing continuously on that dot. Sit still. Your breath should be gentle, relaxing, quiet, and just gaze and visualize that you seeing through your third eye, not with these two eyes. 5 to 10 minutes. In the beginning you will feel uneasiness. Don't worry, it happens with every single field. When you're doing something in the beginning you feel uneasy, but don't worry. After a few time, after a few minutes, you will be okay. So keep gazing on that point, and slowly you will realize everything is gone. Only that dot is available in that room. Only that dot, and you gazing with your third eye. Third eye, you will feel pressure in your third eye. It could be vibrate. So don't worry. Maybe you will feel a little bit pain there in the beginning, but don't worry about that. And after 10 minutes, when you feel everything is disappear except that dot, then close your eyes. This is the time to close. Now close your eyes and visualize the golden energy is coming through the sky. Through the sky, the golden energy is coming and it's entering through your crown chakra inside your body and connecting with your third eye. The golden light is coming through your crown chakra and connecting with your third eye. Keep visualizing this. Sit still and keep visualizing for 5, 10, 15 minutes and keep practicing this half hour in the beginning, and you can do reached for 2 hours. In the beginning, the 30 minutes is enough. 10 minutes for gazing with your third eye on that dot, and then close your eyes. When everything disappear, only the dot is appear in front of you, then close your eyes and then visualize the energy is coming in your crown chakra and connecting with your eye chakra. And then when you feel connected with that golden light, after that you need to connect with that chakra that you feel that is blocked. Connect that energy with that chakra and open it, and then visualize it's opening the energies for you. It's clearing the blockage of my that chakra that I'm looking for. So do this practice with the visualization. If you feel I don't want to connect with other chakras, only activate with your eye chakra. Only focus on your eye. In the beginning, always remember, when you seeing the dot, you are not seeing with these eyes, you are seeing with your eye chakra. Just keep visualizing you're seeing with the eye chakra. 10 minutes continuously. When it disappears, then you have to close the eyes. Then receive that light, a beautiful light from the golden light. It's entering inside your body through your crown chakra and connecting with your eye chakra. And slowly, at least you have to practice 21 days continuously to seeing a result of this practice. Then you will realize in your life, whatever I see, with the daily practice, if you reached for 2 hours, whatever you see, you will feel I'm seeing with my third eye because of that practice. You are not seeing with 2 eyes. You will feel whatever I'm seeing with my third eye is activated and my third eye is seeing everything. And when you're sleeping, you will realize I can see anything without my eyes, without my open eyes. You can see because you're activating your third eye, then you can see whatever, even you close your eyes, even is blindfolded, you are able to do that. But you have to practice 21 days minimum 40 days to 84 days. This is the time of process. 21 days, 40 days, then 84 days. Keep focusing every day and slowly increase 1 minute every day. 30 minutes to 1 minute increase every day and reach to the longest time. And practice, focus on your lifestyle, focus on your diet. Do a very good diet and sleep, and then you will see the changes. So this is the third eye activation meditation method with the Trataka, with the gazing, and is the easiest way. You don't need instrument elements in your life. You just be sit and focus on that dot. That's it. Be stillness and then close, and then receive that energy inside you, and you will feel so light. It could be your body will feel alive, levitate. So don't worry, whatever effect is coming, just experience it. Just like a witness, you are experience like a witness. So enjoy this technique that I revealed today for you. This is also a most ancient and powerful meditation for third eye. It's just a beginning process. I will reveal more because today I make a second video on the third eye activation before I make the breathing exercise, how to breathe on your third eye. This is the second, to Trataka, the gazing. In future I will make more if I receive something from the universe to reveal the mystery behind the chakra, different methods. So keep connected with me. Keep sharing my videos with other people if you really like the method that I'm sharing with you. It's an ancient and Vedic and scientific method that I'm sharing with you. Nothing is fiction in my videos. Everything is scientific. So enjoy this method. Keep doing every day. Keep practicing and enjoy the bliss of your reality. Live in the illusion, but aware about your reality all the time. This is the spiritual purpose of life. Om Shanti.